I'm Dr. Yuval Bibi. I'm a board-certified dermatologist. If you're under the assumption that skincare is a giant scam, you're absolutely correct. How does that work? Well, there are two arms to this, and it's called the hamster wheel or the skincare fireman arson. First, you're persuaded by the skincare industry through promotional material that the superficial layers of your skin are the devil. They're bad for you. They're the oils, the dead skin cells, the bacteria, the pus, the gunk, what have you. All these ingredients that are very heavy-handedly sold to you as the devil are actually part of your skin barrier. They're what is protecting your skin naturally. They're made by your skin to protect itself. You're made to think that these are things that need to be stripped off and washed off for your skin not to catch fire and for you to carry on living in the world with normal looking skin. Now, what you do is you swoop in with a category of products known as the abrasives. Those are the cleansers, the soaps, the shower gels, body washes, the more physically abrasive products such as the scrubs, the exfoliants, the loofahs, the washcloths, the exfoliating gloves, all these marvelous products that are designed to strip away your own skin protections and leave the skin in a sensitized state. Now you've created sensitive skin. What do you do with sensitive skin? Well, you need to make up for what you did just now, the damage that you created. And conveniently, the skincare industry swoops in with a second category of products known as the moisturizers or the soothers. Those are the serums, the lotions, the creams, the balms, the ointments, and so on and so forth. Those are the leave-ons that you leave on your skin to protect it and to nourish it and to make it whole and to make it glow, which are nonsensical words for the most part, except for one, which is to protect the skin barrier, allowing it to replenish and to recover itself after the damage you've just created by carpet bombing it with all the first category of products that I just mentioned, which are the abrasives. So it is abrasives and moisturizers. Wax off, wax on, wax off, wax on, with zero benefit to you and plenty of upside for the manufacturers who are laughing all the way to the bank with your hard-earned money and a piece of your skin along the way with it. Let me know how this video was helpful to you in straightening out your skincare routine and avoiding harmful practices advocated by the skincare industry. Thanks for watching. God bless.